Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shani Zahra. I am teacher of level 3 from Army Public Junior School Multan. I welcome you all in APSEC's online sport program. Students, this is your 9th week assignment of mathematics. We are doing chapter number 3, multiplication and division. Now we are going to start the topic multiplication. Students, today we will discuss multiplication without regrouping and multiplication with regrouping. Objective. Students, we will be able to learn multiplication without and with regrouping. Before starting, we must know what is multiplication. Multiplication is known as repeated addition. For example, when we multiply 2 with 5, we are doing addition of number 2 5 times. Just like here, when we multiply 2 with 5, the answer is 10, and when we add number 2 5 times, the answer is also 10. Students, multiplication is also known as product. Students, this is the symbol that we use for multiplication. Parts of multiplication. Students, there are 3 parts of our multiplication sum. Here is our multiplication sum, and these are parts of our multiplication sum. Number 1 is multiplicand, number 2 multiplier, and number 3 product. This 15 on the top is multiplicand. This number 2 is multiplier, and the number 30 under this line is called as product. Multiplicand. The number that gets multiplied by another number is called as multiplicand. Here you can see this 8 is getting multiplying by this number 3. So this 8 is called as multiplicand. Multiplier. The number by which another number is multiplied is called multiplier. Here you can see this 8 is getting multiplying with this number 3. So this number 3 is called as multiplier. Product. An answer to our multiplication problem is called as product. Here you can see 8 is getting multiplying with this number 3. When we multiply 8 with 3, the answer is 24, and this answer is called as product. Here are some rules of multiplication that we must follow. Rule number 1 is multiply the ones. Rule number 2, multiply the tens. Rule number 3, multiply the hundreds. It means whenever you want to start a multiplication sum, you must start it from your right hand side or from the place ones. Now we will discuss multiplication without regrouping. Example number 1. Here is a multiplication sum. This is 4 at 1's place and this is 3 at 10's place. So we have to multiply this 34 with this number 2. Step number 1. Multiply the ones. So first we will multiply this 4 at the 1's place with this number 2. The answer will be 8. Step number 2. Multiply the tens. We will multiply this number 3 with this 2. The answer is 6. Here, now the total answer is 68. Example number 2. This is 3 at 1's place, this is 4 at 10's place, and this is 1 at 100's place. So it is 143 on the top. We have to multiply it with this number 2. And for this, we will follow these steps. The step number 1 is multiply the ones. So first we will multiply this 3 at 1's place with this number 2. When we multiply 3 with 2, the answer is 6. Step number 2, multiply the tens. So we will multiply this 4 at 10's place with this number 2. The answer is 8. Step number 3, multiply the hundreds. Now we will multiply this 1 with this number 2. The answer will be 2. So the total answer is 286. Now we will do multiplication with regrouping. Students, you have already done this regrouping in your previous topic addition. Now we will learn the concept of regrouping with multiplication. Example number 1. Students, this is 8 at 1's place, this is 0 at 10's place, and this is 1 at 100's place. So it is 108 on the top. We will multiply it with the number 6. First we will multiply the 8 once by this number 6, and when we multiply 8 with 6, the answer is 48. Students, now write the ones part of this 48 under the ones column and carry the tens part of this 48 to the tens column here. We have 4 as the carry at tens place. Now we will multiply this 0 with 6, and when we multiply 0 with 6, the answer is 0. And you know, here is carry at tens place. We will add this 4 in this 0. When we add 4 in 0, the answer is 4. So we will write 4 in the answer here. Now we will multiply this 1 at 100's place with this number 6. When we multiply 1 with 6, the answer is 6. So we will write the answer under the hundreds column here. The total answer is 648. So we can say the product is 648. Students, today we have discussed multiplication without and with regrouping with the examples. Now this is time for recap, and here are some important questions. This is question number 1. What is multiplication? Students, multiplication is known as repeated addition. Question number 2. What is product? An answer to a multiplication problem or a multiplication sum is called as product. Students, I told you that multiplication is also known as product. Question number 3. How many parts are there of a multiplication problem? Yes, there are 3 parts of a multiplication problem. Number 1, multiplicand. Number 2, multiplier. And number 3, product. Question number 4. What is multiplicand? Students, the number that gets multiplied by another number to find the product in a multiplication problem is called as multiplicand, and this is first part of a multiplication problem or sum. Question number 5. 6 multiplied by 3. So when you multiply 6 with this number 3, the answer is 18. Students, this is the assignment of the 9th week. You will take guideline from textbook and workbook to complete this assignment. You will do question number 1 and 2 from textbook page number 86 and 89, and question number 3 from your workbook page number 62, and question number 2 from the workbook page number 64. Students, you will do all of these questions on the loose sheets. You will not do these questions on your workbook. I remind you, don't do all of this work on the workbook or textbook. Dear students, I hope you have understood all the points. Now thank you so much.